Released last year, the Nintendo Switch has quickly climbed the ladder to one of the most popular devices of 2017. If you're still deciding if you want to pick up the Switch in 2018, then hopefully this video helps you. Hey guys, it's Tech Infusion, and today I'll be giving you 4 reasons why you should purchase the Nintendo Switch. There's nothing like the Nintendo Switch, a portable device that contains many characteristics of the Wii. And that brings me to my first reason to purchase the Switch. The uniqueness is like nothing we've ever seen before. There are so many different ways to play. Whether you play as an all-in-one portable console, take off the controllers and play in tabletop mode, or dock it in the provided TV dock, the gaming experience changes every time, and keeps it interesting. In my opinion, the reason the Switch is one of Nintendo's biggest successes is because they have created something very innovative and revolutionary. I mean, there's really no other companies making a hybrid console like the Switch. Moving on to number 2. The games available for the Nintendo Switch is another fantastic reason to purchase this console. Whether it be Breath of the Wild or Super Mario Odyssey, there's good fun to be had with so many games. If you're looking for family fun or a game you can play at a party, 1-2 Switch or Mario Kart are great choices. But if you're looking for something a little bit more competitive, Splatoon 2 or Rocket League definitely fit the bill. If you're looking for a reason to purchase the Switch, Zelda Breath of the Wild is reason enough. It's such an amazing game and so many hours of entertainment are just waiting for you. I'm expecting even larger and more popular titles to be released on the Switch in 2018, so if you don't like the game selection now, just wait and see if your favorite game is added. For number 3, we have the Joy-Cons. Nintendo has done an amazing job at designing these controllers. If you took an Xbox and Wii controller and mashed them together, you'd get these. The buttons and joysticks feel nice and are very tactile. The integration of motion control in games reminds me of the Wii, but it responds so much better. The Joy-Cons are so versatile. You can play them while attached to the Switch or detach them for a whole different experience. Nintendo also throws in a grip so you can slide the Joy-Cons in there for a more traditional experience. And if none of those options work for you, you should definitely look into purchasing the Pro Controller. Want to play with more people? Well, each Joy-Con can also act as its own controller, so you won't need to go drop all your savings on more controllers. So number 4 definitely goes to portability. Sure, having an Xbox or PlayStation is nice, but can you play it on a plane? With a Nintendo Switch, you don't need a power source, and you don't even need a TV. Having the ability to play your favorite games on the big screen and then pick up right where you left off on the go is just awesome. With 3 hours of battery life, you'll get plenty of playtime in before having to charge. The portability of the Nintendo Switch is really what makes this console so special. Until now, if you wanted to go play games on the go, it had to be done on a smartphone, and we all know there aren't many phone games worth playing. So if you're constantly out and about or traveling, the Nintendo Switch is perfect for you. The Nintendo Switch is one of my most favorite devices that I own. At the end of the day, it's great to be able to just pick it up and start playing. Sure, you're not getting 4K graphics, but I'll trade that any day for the convenience of the Switch. So what did you guys think of my reasons? Are you interested in purchasing the Nintendo Switch? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if I missed any reasons to purchase the Switch. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please remember to leave a like and don't forget to comment and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next time guys, peace out.